Hey everybody, my exhaust manifold was cracked. I had to replace that. You're gonna need some penetrating oil and a lot of it, and be patient. And you're gonna get a wire brush. Clean it off with the brush best you can. Soak it with that penetrating oil. This part here that's down by the exhaust, I cut one bolt off. I used my socket and a wrench and got the other one off from the ground. I was on the bottom. You're gonna remove the starter first so that you have space to work. Now these bolts on the bottom, you can get them from beneath. You can be on the, I was on the ground with an extension and got them that way. These up top, you can remove, just reach in above the tire or remove the tire. Now we're on the bottom of the vehicle. Starter is removed, and now you can see the studs. The top of the screen is the bottom, is the ground. The bottom of the screen is towards the top of the vehicle. I left that stud in because I couldn't get it out, but I removed that one from the bottom. And you can get the exhaust bolts from the bottom. That is to say, on your back from the ground. Now over here, still on the passenger side of the vehicle, that right there, that's the bottom of your motor mount. This plate and those two bolts come out. That frees the motor mount up from the frame of the vehicle. You're going to have to jack the motor up so that you have clearance. Now we're over to the driver's side. Get a breaker bar. That's the driver's side motor mount. See this big bolt here? That was there in that hole there. And that's how you're going to get that out. Again, soak every bolt and clean it with the wire brush. With the motor mount loosened, you can then raise the vehicle, raise the motor up, put a block of wood on top of your floor jack, put it under the front of the oil pan and jack the engine up. That gives you clearance. The bottom right there, that should drop out first. So once you raise the motor up, you'll have space, but you're going to take the fan shroud off as well. I'm going to link to that video too. And then once you do all of that, like I said, you make clearance, and that part should drop out first. It's going to be right on the ground. You don't have to jimmy it and wiggle it too much. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.